Hello world, welcome to Quick Drawing Tips. Today we have Joaquin Phoenix as the Joker. Joaquin Phoenix as Joker. This is also a very relatively easy drawing to make. Say first and foremost, you make the face. Forget about this border left hand side, right hand side. Forget about it. You have to make the face first. Just draw a same old regular plain face. Then you make this partition. Once you make the partition, you don't have to focus so much as to, oh, I should not cross this line. No, it's fine, it's fine. See, because the nose, the lips, and the eyes, they have to be symmetrical. Otherwise, you will look like something else. It will the finishing product will look out something really ridiculous. So make the line, and you make the border of the face. Then you make this clothes, and the hair comes last. Okay, for this drawing, I would say that when you're drawing for the left hand side, you put a page on the right hand side. This is also required only when you're shading close to this part, so that the shading on the left hand side does not transfer to the right hand side. That's where you need to put a page on this part. So once you're done with that, it's the left hand side is done, and on the right hand side there's literally nothing much to do. All you have to do is put a darker shade on this part, the lips, nose, eyes, and we're done. It's so simple. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching that video. Hey, you know what to do. In fact, just write down ha ha ha. Yeah, write down ha 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 in the comments.